And then dito sa yung ating 40 years old tortoise po na si Harvey.
Hi, Orange!
Pero meron din, naput sila sa ano ma'am, Australian forward-looking eyes, they are predators or naghahanap. And then,
Hi!
It's like 30.
30. Ito, dagang kayo.
May turtle dito sa kahoy na ko.
so kung meron tayong seal lion, merong seal ang dugong is wrong. This one right here is the most dangerous animal in the world.
The most dangerous animal. Orange!
Sila po na-assess na po sila.
Orange!
Orange! Orange!
So let's report lang kapag may nag-spend Pilipinas, ang Philippine box turtle.
Oh, that one's angry.
Nag-meeting sila.
Kung masagpaan kang ikog, thank you. So let's move forward.
Freeze.
They're moving na.
Wow! Peacock! Saan man na siya pagpabukad? Tako.
Para masuko guro siya, no?
Apil ang kamot. Oh. Ito kuya. Okay. Apil. Dako meron.
Ah!
Okay.
Nagway.
Dong.
Loko.
Ikaw mo. Kasi ramang good.
Ri, look at Mami Ri. Oh, tawa. Oh.
King. Okay.
Meron ako, pula. Ano raw sila? Yan.
Dali ah. Oh, haog. Bansanit.
Tiger. This is a tiger sa clay.
Let us now witness the parade of the Are you ready to meet your first time ambassador? Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome folks. And there he goes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is Lakas, our white-bellied sea eagle with the scientific name of Haliaetus leucogaster. Leuco meaning white, gaster meaning belly, hence their name. Though, fun fact, you can tell if an animal is a prey animal or a predator animal by the location of... And there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gents, that is Jack Jack, our Brahminicae, or locally known as the Banuku folks. They are birds of prey, or raptors, meaning they are primarily carnivorous animals. They can be found in coastal areas of Indonesia. Wait lang po, folks. Let's wait for Pagaspas to target lock his prey. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now again, folks, that is their natural behavior po. Meaning endemic po sila dito. You can tell it is a Philippine serpent eagle from their polka dot up here, meaning to seize or to grab. Now they have very sharp and powerful talents, both capable of ripping and tearing the hands of our trainers. That's why you know. And there he is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is what up our blue and gold macaw with the scientific name of Ara Ararauta, meaning genius. Why are they called geniuses? They have the mental capacity. As we've shown you, Barak's impressive feat. Behind the table, we have A. Hands up. Okay, good. Up right. And there it is, folks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Psychodactyl feet at work. To the front, to the back, allowing... Ayun, there go one more. Good boy, Barak. Now, folks, that is what they use to see how Barak segregates his mess. So that we'll all learn a valuable lesson from him. So, Barak, ready? Kuya Cyril, ready? Okay, Kuya Cyril, tagak. And then switches. Obviously, you're gonna go to the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy, Barak. Oh, looks like another piece of plastic naman, which is once again gonna go to the plastic boy. There we go. Throw it properly in the trash box. May go po tayo. There we go. Now, ladies and gentlemen. gentlemen, that is a moonwalk made famous by Michael Jackson to atras si Boy. Show your fancy footwork. Put the once again, ladies and gentlemen, that is the Django Deco Beat Work. To the front, to the Panjago, Rico, long sa stable run. And para lang folks, now ladies and gentlemen, that Mr. Bell, our Philippine great younger brother. Once again, these are our Philippine great hornbills. They get their names from their present hornbill, ang kanilang mga tuka. Sabi ng mga bata, gano'n lumabra yung tawag ng mga 2, 3! Yun, that's what we want and that's what our... Ready your folks, mabilis na. So again, fly the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! And then it's who folks the aerial acrobatics of our very... They are in the mood to play kasi, no? And they like to play hide and seek. And they like to hide under our seats kasi. So maybe pakita mo check mo, may seats nila naman ba? Makita mo naman kung hayop na nawala. Adi ha, kuya? Our gentle giants! Not really ha, perfect!
Mamali mo kang manok.
Nakahold na dyan mag-snake na. Hala. Ano yun?
Nice ka. Ay, si Kuan Kuya, si Dr. Strange. Ano to? Wala ko.
Na blindfold.
Wala, ayaw. Okay. Hala. Ay, maluto! Saan, Mer?